people this just in case you needed it. We have a 2015 Toyota here. It's a Tundra oil change. So the bolt to drain the oil is a 14 millimeter right there. And in order to swing this down to get to the filter, it goes up just like that. There are 1, 2, 3 12 millimeters on the front. There are 1, 2 12 millimeters. And then this will swing down out of the way. This plug goes right there. You're going to pull that out with a 3/8 wrench, and then you'll use the Toyota tool to take that off and drop the filter and change the internal filter, which we're waiting on right now. So just wanted to show that in case it needed or help somebody out. I'm going to put a link in the description below for the oil filter that we used and what type of oil. So I appreciate it. Please do me a favor, click like. Please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.